Hello and welcome to taik18. I'm Mohammed Adnan, and in this video we are going to talk about Hello and welcome to taik18. I'm Mohammed Adnan, and in this video I'm going to talk about the new announcement of Bill 2024 related to fabric things here. So I'm going to cover the top three which I prefer in my thought. It is going to be the top three announcement. So I'm going to share my screen now. So while sharing my screen, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. All right. So the first announcement which highlighted here is real-time intelligence in Microsoft Fabric. So this is actually a combination of Synapse real-time analytics plus data activator, so which can give us an real-time intelligence for us. So while your data is in motion, it can detect those anomalies on your data and then send an alert for that. And also you can do a lot of things inside to that. It is also a part of now Microsoft Fabric family. So you can see it here, a new announcement here, which is the real-time hub, where you can add all your items related to real-time intelligence here. So this is because now we are into data of AI kind of thing, and we are getting lots of data from different sources, from IoT sensors, from your log analytics, from your Steam analytics kind of thing. So every time we are getting those data, and we can use those informations in order to take quicker actions accordingly. So I'm going to add those links in the video description as well. You can just check out this web blog on that. So this is one of those. So you can connect to different sources here, which you can connect to your Azure SQL, Azure Cosmos DB, Event Hub, and Kafka, and Google Cloud as well, and also Amazon for that. So everything you can connect best-in-class connectivity with real-time hub, and also you can process, you can analyze, you can visualize, and you can act accordingly on that. So the best part here, everything resides in the one lake. Not only the data which is in motion, you can track that, but you can use the data for further analysis using the one lake hub. So that's the beauty of using the real-time intelligence in Fabric. I'm going to cover those things in future videos. So this is just an introduction about that. All right, moving on. The next announcement, which I like the most, is Fabric Workload Development Kit. Fabric Workload Development Kit. This is actually for ISV providers, those who want to have a separate software vendors, and if they want to develop some toolkit for that, they can also build that. So this is actually the concept behind that is, like you can see the multiple workloads which you have, like data factory, Power BI, real-time intelligence. These are all the workloads in Fabric. So these providers can also create their own workload for that, and then we can deploy it on Power BI Fabric, and then we can also monetize that as a kind of SaaS product. Though that's the beauty here. So they can also build in on top of that, and they're also going to give us the SDK and APIs so that we can connect to our Fabric environment. And if you want to write back any data, or get from data, anything we can do it using that as well. And if you want to build on top of your Fabric itself, then they're also providing you the Fabric UX system where we can also connect and build systems fastly. So this is another workload which is going to add up here, which is third-party workloads, where we can create using multiple workloads here, data factories, Synapse engineering, Power BI, anything we can connect and then build our workloads on top of that. I'm also adding this description on the video here, so you can also check out that description here. All right, the third announcement which I like the most is to be time intelligence, and then it's actually the Snowflake and Fabric integration. That is really amazing, a breakthrough I can say. So we can connect to the Snowflake as well as the Fabric at the real time, and you can write back in the bidirectional. That's the beauty here. If you're connecting your Snowflake into Fabric, then you can get the data from the Fabric, from Snowflake to Fabric. And similarly, if you're connecting the Fabric lakehouse in that one, then it's going to connect revertly. If you have a data on your one lake, then it can be, you can viewable the data on the Snowflake. That's going to coming future. That's not a private preview is not available that, but it's going to be launched on June onwards. And the new open data lake format which we have, and recently they are introduced about Iceberg data format, which is a kind of open source format itself. So this also we can use, and we can store our data based on our scenarios. If you want to store it on Delta Lake format, you can store that. Or if you want to store this in your Iceberg format, also you can use that as well. And then recently announcement of the external data sharing. If you want to ISV or you want to share your data with external customers, so that they can access and build report on top of that. That is also possible. And if you want to access customer data into your own environment, that is also possible in that one option. And also we can connect to our on-prem data. If you have on-prem data source or like Google Cloud or Amazon S3, you can connect using your on-prem gateway. That's also a really big announcement in build here. So these are the quick introduction about the new announcement in build of Microsoft Fabric 2024. So let me know what's your favorite in this announcement. Until then, see you in the next video.